All right, Dave, thank you. A theater here in New Jersey thought it would be using new 3D printers to make props for plays and musicals, but instead, they're being put to use to help healthcare and other frontline workers.
News 12 New Jersey's John Bathke brings us his ongoing coverage of the coronavirus impact on arts and entertainment.
Across New Jersey, people who are skilled in the creative arts are using their abilities and specialized equipment in ways they never imagined they would. These 3D printers were intended to be churning out props for Centenary Stage Company in Hackettstown, but now instead are tools in the fight to protect frontline workers.
It looks something like this when it's all said and done, the headband itself.
Christopher Young is general manager of Centenary Stage Company, a professional theater on the campus of Centenary University, producing around 10 plays and musicals a year. The 3D printers are now temporarily in his home, making headbands which are attached to plastic shields and are being donated to healthcare workers.
You can see that the headband, and then there's these little prongs here in which this plastic will attach or detach from.
Protecting the worker and hopefully extending the life of their mask. Centenary Stage got involved because of Young's brother, Jonathan. He is a 3D environment senior artist and production designer with Denville-based WisEngineering, which is organizing the printing effort.
To be able to turn that skill and my background to help people, it feels really great.
The sanitized shields are boxed and delivered to medical facilities in New Jersey and as far away as Georgia and Oklahoma. 400 of the shields have been completed so far. John Bathke, News 12, New Jersey.
Other businesses with 3D printing capability who are participating in this project are UTRS, Next Gen Imaging, and Responder Corps.